doesn't fight crime or wear a cape. He doesn't read minds or levitate. But every time my world needs saving, he's my Superman. Some folks don't believe in heroes 'cause they haven't met my dad. He loves his workshop and rock and roll. He's got a hot rod and a heart of gold. And you could say he's a man of few words, but he talks a lot within. And even though I'm a little taller, I still look up to him. He built me a house in the arms of a tree. He taught me to drive and to fight and to dream. When he looks in my eyes, I hope he can see that my dad's a hero to me.
प्रेम सदा ही बांटा तुमने, प्रेम सदा किया सबसे, जन्मदिन की बहुत बधाई, प्रेम सदा मिले सबसे, प्रेम को बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद मेरा।
माय डियरेस्ट एंड लवली ब्रदर, तुम्हें 60th बर्थडे बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। जैसा तेरा नाम प्रेम है, वैसे ही तूने सबको प्रेम की डोर से बांध रखा है। तेरे जीवन में खुशियों की लहर हमेशा जगमगाती रहे। You are the most loving and caring brother. May God bless you today and always. Love you so so much. सबका चहेता राज दुलारा, मेरा भाई प्यारा प्यारा, 60वें जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। ईश्वर करे यह दिन बार बार आए और तुम्हारे जीवन को खुशियों से भर दे। हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रेम।
मेरे अनुज भ्राता प्रेम प्रकाश ने मेरी व मेरे परिवार की दुख तकलीफ की हर घड़ी में हर तरह से हमेशा मेरी मदद की है। इसके लिए मैं हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूँ। आज जन्म दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर प्रेम को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ और ईश्वर से प्रेम के स्वस्थ व निरोगी जीवन के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ। आज इस शुभ अवसर पर ये उद्गार मेरे हृदय से निकले हैं। मुझे कभी गलत ना समझना, क्योंकि मैंने झूठ बोलकर कभी किसी की भी तारीफ नहीं की है।
प्रेम प्रकाश को 60 इयर्स। चलो,
हैप्पी बर्थडे बबली चाचा, विशिंग यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। यू आर 60, बिग माइलस्टोन। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
Many happy returns of the day, Babi Chacha. Happy 60th. Have a great life ahead.
नमस्ते चाचा जी, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बबली चाचा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बबली चाचा, पार्टी दे देना।
हैप्पी बर्थडे बबली चाचा, हैव अ ग्रेट सेलिब्रेशन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे नाना जी, हैव अ ग्रेट डे। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे चाचा जी। मैं भगवान से आपकी दीर्घायु और स्वस्थ रहने की कामना करती हूँ। आप हमेशा हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहें। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे चाचा जी।
हैप्पी बर्थडे चाचा।
बबली भैया, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, खूब सारा प्यार आशीर्वाद। यही मनाते हैं कि आप इसी तरह सबको प्रेम से संभाले रखें।
बबली चाचा, पूरा दिन मैंने आज सोया कि लॉन्ग वीकेंड, बट आपका वीडियो बनाना था। 60th बर्थडे है आपका, तो कोई बड़ी बात ही है। Happy birthday, and hope God at 60 you are still hot, sexy, young and dynamic. So we hope that you continue to take care of all of us and we keep meeting ahead. Happy birthday!
Hello Chachi ji, Ram Ram. We wish you a very very happy 60th birthday. Just like your name, आपने पूरे परिवार को प्रेम से जोड़ के रखा हुआ है और हम यही आशा करते हैं कि आगे भी आप इसको प्रेम से जोड़ के रखेंगे. So we wish you lots of happiness, good health, enjoy and take care.
Happy birthday चाचा जी. Happy birthday बाबा जी.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
भाई वैसे तो तुम हम सब में सबसे छोटे हो, लेकिन काम सबसे ज़्यादा और नेक करते हो.
जिस तरह आप परिवार के हर सदस्य को साथ लेकर चलते हैं, उससे हम सबको बहुत प्रेरणा मिलती है.
और तुम्हारे इस जन्मदिन पर हम दोनों ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि तुम्हें लंबी आयु और खुशनुमा जिंदगी मिले. वी विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Wish you a very very happy birthday. Stay blessed and happy always.
Hello, Prem Baba. Happy birthday to you. You are such a good person, good friend, with a good heart. Stay blessed.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा जी. लोग कहते हैं हर इंसान में खोट होती है. आप किस ग्रह से आए हैं प्रभु? कोई खोट नहीं.
Hi Mama. We know you as the Vignaharta of the family. Thank you for being there always for everyone. Love you loads. Happy 60th birthday Mama. East to West, Prem Mama ji is the best. Happy birthday Mama ji. Love you so much.
Hello Prem Chacha. Wish you a very 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 happy 60th birthday. The 60th is definitely a milestone in your life. कुछ अर्ज करना चाहूँगी. उम्र का बढ़ना तो दस्तूरे जहाँ है. उम्र का बढ़ना तो दस्तूरे जहाँ है. महसूस ना करो तो बढ़ती कहाँ है. महसूस ना करो तो बढ़ती कहाँ है. जीने का असली मजा तो 60 है. जीने की असली उम्र तो 60 है. 60 में ही ठाठ है. 60 में ही ठाठ है. आपको फिर से एक बार जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो.
Wish you a very happy birthday Mama ji. Wish you a very very happy and long life with all the health, happiness, joy and fun. We love you Mama ji and we are blessed to have you in our lives and we love you a lot.
Birthday Mama ji. Many many happy returns of the day Mama ji. Happy birthday to you all.
Happy birthday Mama ji. Wishing you a very very happy 60th birthday. I hope your life is filled with as much happiness as you bring to all the others around you. Thank you so much for all your love and support over the years, for not only me but for everyone in the entire Khandan. You've stepped into Nanaji's shoes from a very very early age, and a big thank you to Mami ji and all the kids, everyone who's helped support you in being able to keep up with this role. Wishing you a very very long, happy and healthy life. Love you.
Namaste Prem Baba. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. Oscar, can you say Namaste Prem Baba? Good boy. Ezra, can you say Namaste? Good boy. Bye bye. We hope to see you in London sometime soon. Bye bye.
Hello Prem. Many congratulations and best wishes on your 60th birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Even though it's a happy occasion, but I would say this, that in the past year you, Sweetie and the whole family has gone through a lot, but we are really thankful to God that you have fully recovered from this COVID illness. So wishing you many years of healthy and happy life, and So now once the COVID is over, so it will be time for you to fulfill your long-standing promise of visiting USA. So, and yes, our deal is still valid. So wishing you all the best and hope to see you soon. So congratulations again. Thank you.
डियर प्रेम, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। वैसे तो जन्मदिन पहले बहुत आए, लेकिन ये विशेष है, जीवन का एक अनमोल माइलस्टोन है व्हेन यू आर अचीविंग 60th बर्थडे। इस विशेष बर्थडे पे मैं बस इतना एक्सप्रेस करना चाहता हूँ कि हमें उससे प्रेम है। हम के अंदर वैसे तो वक्त में बहुत से लोग शामिल हैं, लेकिन ख़ास तौर पर मैं, दीपक और मेरी तन्हाइयाँ, जिनके साथ हमने बहुत समय गुजारा है, और भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि हम आगे भी एकदम इसको गुजारते रहें। स्वास्थ्य बेहतर हो और भगवान तेरे को शक्ति दे कि मुझे सहन कर सके। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Hi Prem, wishing you a very happy milestone birthday today. Indeed, it has been a wonderful run you have had. Known you for 46 years when we met together in the middle school at Cambridge in 7th, 8th grades. We were probably still wearing shorts at that time. And I actually wanted to roast you a bit on your birthday, but you have been such a clean and boring person that you left no dirt in your tracks to pick on. All I can say is, even having a Punjabi friend, I could not corrupt you with drinking or eating meats and non-veg. So what a wonderful life you have had. Always an intellectual. While all of us were reading Commando and Tintin comics, you were reading Reader's Digest and India Today, and always had good conversation based on all you read and everything. So we had very wonderful opportunities after school, met up again in the DU, and I spent more time in the Hindu cafeteria versus my classes at SRCC, so I can definitely vouch for that. And obviously when you came to Narayana for the business, and I was living there, and we had a lovely time. Good conversation, good meetings and all. And I was always admiring you, how passionate you were for your dad's work, going out to Dadri and doing some philanthropic work. And that is really speaks volumes of you, and you have left a good legacy for the family. And I must say that it's about a time to enjoy the sun and sand and leave the Loha Mandi for the boys to take care of. So as we celebrate your birthday, all I can say is that Tanshu and Nakul, buy the finest single malt you can get your hands on and have a toast with your dad. And as loving and caring you have been with your family, I'm sure they're going to do this celebration in a grand way. Well, cheers to you, my friend. And when we meet up, when I come back, or you come here, we'll have the bigger celebration. Cheers to you. Hats off to you.
Hello Prem, heard you will be joining the Senior Citizen Club shortly. All my best wishes to you on this occasion. I was trying to remember our days spent together, and every time I remember, I see you as a dependable, soft-spoken and truly a genuine friend which I have found in my life. All my best wishes to you. Thank you.
Wish you a very very happy birthday to you भाई साहब. May God bless you always. आप हमेशा खुश रहें, हेल्थी रहें. भगवान करे आप जो भी चाहते हैं वो आपको सब कुछ मिल जाए. आपके लिए जितने भी शब्द कहे जाएं वो कम होंगे. बस इतना ही कहूँगी कि आप एक बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं. Again happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day.
Hello uncle, wish you a very very happy 60th birthday. You are one of the greatest human I think we all know, and thank you for doing a lot of things knowingly and unknowingly for all of us. You have been there with us just like a father figure, and thank you so much for everything. No words can ever define that how happy we feel that we know and we are connected to you. So, may God bless you always and keeps you healthy. Thank you for everything again.
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रेम बाबू, आपको बहुत 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 बधाई जन्मदिन की। एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू से यू आर अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर ऑफ दिस फैमिली एंड जस्ट कीप इट अप। आप बहुत समझदार, और क्या बताऊँ आप में क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ है, ज़्यादा चढ़ जाओगे नहीं तो। बट वी ऑल लव यू, टू सी ग्रेट। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
मेरी बीवी ने कहा है आप बहुत समझदार हो। आप समझदार हो, आई बिलीव दैट, आई ट्रस्ट इट, और मैं मानता हूँ आप बहुत समझदार हो, लेकिन मेरे से कम समझदार हो। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
थैंक यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे जिया जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे जिया जी, आपका 60th हैप्पी बर्थडे आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आप खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, और 60 साल के हो रहे, सठियाइएगा नहीं।
मैं भी यही बोल रही थी, बस जिया जी सब कुछ करना, सठियाना मत। ऑलरेडी आप सठियाए हुए हो, अब 60 आ गए तो पता नहीं क्या होगा।
हम भी ये बोल रहे थे।
Have fun, मौसा जी, have a great day,
have a lovely life.
सेम
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरे जीजा है, 60 की उम्र में हैप्पी बर्थडे है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है।
Happy birthday जिया जी, I wish you a healthy and happy fit birthday, 5th 60th birthday. Hope you have a fabulous day.
Happy birthday once again.
Masa ji, you're one of my favorite people to talk to, and I admire you so much. Thank you for all the support and love. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mosaji. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Tali baja! Woo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Fufaji. Hope you're having an amazing day. And on this birthday of yours, I would like to thank you for all the guidance and support that you've always given me. Hopefully, you'll keep giving me the same. Have a wonderful day.
Happy birthday, Fufaji. I hope you have a great year. And I've always enjoyed talking to you. Thank you for always keeping conversations very interesting. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Chacha.
You're the backbone of the family, and we always look up to you for inspiration. Your love and support is always so comforting.
You've always been there for us as a guiding light. And on your 60th birthday, even though we want you to be by our side always, we wish that you retire soon and live a happy and healthy life in Goa as you've always wanted. So happy 60th wala birthday.
चाचा, many happy returns of the day. आपको 60th birthday की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Dearest Babli Chacha, many happy returns of the day. I am deeply grateful to the Almighty that He made you my adorable Chacha. Not only me, but all our family members will agree with me in times of difficulty, in times of sorrow, in times of help and support, in times of happiness. You were standing with each of us. With your broad and practical approach, you helped us to best solutions. Not only that, if today Mangalayatan is one and united family, all credit goes to you. Thank you so much. Loves and regards.
I'm very lucky to have a life partner like you who is so loving, caring and most importantly understanding. Wish you a very very happy birthday and a happy and healthy life ahead. I can proudly say मैंने प्रेम रतन धन पाया.
Happy birthday, Dad!
Happy birthday, Dad! Next 2 साल का टारगेट है, 1 retirement home in Haridwar for you, 1 for us in Goa. Happy 60th!
Hi Dad, wishing you a very happy birthday.
A very happy birthday, Dad. Just want to tell you one thing on this day that before my wedding, मैंने आपसे एक चीज़ मांगी थी. मैंने आपको बोला था to fill the void in my life of a father. And from that day till now, you have always treated me as your daughter and not your daughter-in-law. Thank you so much for all the love, and I'm very lucky to be part of this family and having parents like you and mom.
और जो भी आप अपना रिटायरमेंट होम प्लान कर रहे हो, गोवा में, ऋषिकेश में, हरिद्वार में या नौकुचियाल में, प्लीज़ कंसिडर इट एज ओनली योर हॉलीडे होम एंड नॉट अ रिटायरमेंट होम, बिकॉज रिटायरमेंट हम आपको नहीं देते. We love you.
We love you, Dad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Baba.